it's Roma and welcome back to my kitchen, and I'm so excited to have you here today. I want to share with you a recipe I make at least 3 times a week. We eat a lot of rice at my house. It is the preferred carb. So I'm going to teach you how to make coconut rice today, and it is so easy to make. It's so delicious. It's really inexpensive, and it just takes a minute to throw it together in the rice cooker. Set it, forget it, move on with your day. The other thing I love about it is that I'm going to use 2 cups of dry rice, but it fills up this 64 tub of rice. So it's great to have in my fridge as a go-to for bowls, a side dish, whatever. But my family loves it so much, so when I serve white rice, because I have run out of coconut milk, they know. And they say, what's the problem? What happened to the rice? So it's a subtle flavor, but you will love it in all of your dishes. It's just so easy to make. So let's get cooking. So let's start off with our ingredients. The first, of course, main ingredient is rice. Now this is jasmine rice that I use, and typically you rinse rice, but in this case, I don't want to rinse off any of the starch because to me it adds extra fluffiness. So I just put the rice directly into the rice cooker. Then you've got some sugar. You're going to have 3 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to have 1 teaspoon of salt. And then this is the magic key ingredient here. I buy Trader Joe's coconut milk, and coconut milk can go anywhere from, Trader Joe's is $1.69 all the way up to $5 a can at Whole Foods and Lazy Acres, which is absurd. But $1.69 coconut milk, this is the key ingredient. And then you've got 1 3/4 cups water. And then we're just gonna put it all on the rice cooker and start it. It's pretty simple. This is the Aroma Rice Cooker, and of course, hello, it's the Aroma, which I am part of Aroma. So I had to have the Aroma. And this ranges, there's different models. They range anywhere from $20 at Lowe's to about $32 on Amazon, but I will link that below in the description. So let's go. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our can of coconut milk, and we're just going to pour the can of coconut milk into the rice cooker. And this is a 13.5 fluid ounce can. They're all about the same. And then we're going to take 1 3/4 cup water, and we're going to pour that into the rice cooker. Then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to take 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to take 2 cups of jasmine rice. Now I've also made this with basmati. I don't wash the basmati either because I want it to be a little bit more of a thicker, of a risotto type feel. But not quite risotto, but I like to keep the starch on the rice. And then we just basically stir this around so it's all incorporated. Super easy. Now we put the lid on and we set it. That's it. Now we can get on with our day. We'll check back in a little bit. So now that all of the ingredients have been incorporated, all we're gonna do is shut the lid on the Aroma cooker, or whatever name brand your rice cooker is, and click cook. That's it, easy peasy. We'll check back in a little bit and we'll have beautiful, delicious coconut rice. So it's been 40 minutes, and now look at this beautiful bowl of rice. Not only is it beautiful, the smell is amazing. For 40 minutes, there is a smell of sweet coconut all throughout Casa Barba. And I have my husband and my son that will come downstairs saying, oh my God, are you making rice? They get so excited. So I piled it up high in the bowl so you could see the texture of it. Now remember, I don't wash my rice because I want to keep some of that starch on there because I do like a little bit of sticky rice. But look at the texture of this rice. It comes out perfect every time. Every time. So let's take a bite, shall we? Mmm. It's so good. It almost has a sweetness like rice pudding, but it isn't rice pudding, it's just coconut rice. But the flavor, it just really pops in your mouth. So I hope you make my coconut rice, and I'd love for you to comment below how it worked out for you. And if your family loves it as much as mine does. You take care. See you again. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell for future video notifications.